thinking about becoming a homeowner, it can be an overwhelming process to understand from start to finish. This is likely the largest investment you will ever make in your lifetime, so getting familiar with what to expect during the entire home buying process is an important part in having the best experience possible. Welcome to the Fairway Mid-Atlantic YouTube channel. My name is Michaela, and if you're new here, we would absolutely love if you would hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss another video from us. We post new videos every Friday all about the home buying process, the real estate and mortgage industries, personal finances, and so much more. Today, we are giving you the ultimate home buying checklist, going over each step, what to expect, and how to get to that closing table. So let's just dive right in. The first step is determining how much house you can actually afford. We say it over and over and over again, but again, buying a house is likely the largest investment, largest purchase you will ever make. The first step in this process is to take a look at your financial picture and determine exactly how much you can actually afford. Part of determining how much you can afford involves checking your credit score and determining your debt-to-income ratio. Your credit score and debt-to-income ratio, or DTI, play an important role in determining your final mortgage product and your rate that you'll receive, as well as the final loan amount that you could be approved for. You'll also want to start thinking about the initial cost of buying your home. At closing, you'll have to pay your down payment and closing costs, as well as any moving expenses that you may have. Making a plan to save for these upfront costs is crucial in understanding how much you can afford, as it could amount to thousands of dollars. The next step is finding your home buying team. You shouldn't go through the home buying process alone, and finding trusted professionals to help you achieve your goal of home ownership is imperative to ensuring your success. You will need a trusted real estate agent and a loan officer on your home buying team. Your real estate agent will help you in the home search, in crafting offers, negotiating with sellers, and ensuring that you can close on your dream home. They should be an expert in the area that you're looking to move to, as well as an expert in the real estate market itself. Not only are they going to be guiding you through open houses and finding your dream home, but they are going to also be helping you with the financial aspect of securing that home. Your loan officer will be the person who helps you finance your new home. You'll work with them to find the best mortgage product for you in your specific situation, consult with them on your financial picture, plan for your financial future in terms of being a homeowner, and so much more. So picking people that you absolutely trust, because this is a personal process that has to do with your finances, is an important step of the process. The next step is to get pre-approved. A pre-approval is an estimate from your chosen bank or lender on how much you could be approved for to borrow for a home loan. This is received after a loose financial background check and can be used to show sellers that you're a reliable and trustworthy buyer. To receive a formal pre-approval letter, not a pre-qualification, you'll need to submit some documents to your lender, such as W-2 forms, recent bank statements, recent pay stubs, tax documents, and more. We have an entire checklist of documents that you should expect to hand over for this process that we'll link down below. Your lender will run through this list of submitted documentation and pre-approve you for a specific loan amount and program. This is not your final loan amount or mortgage agreement. It is just an estimate and show of good faith in you as a borrower that shows sellers again that you are serious. Next, you get to find your home and make an offer. This is probably the most exciting part and the one that you're probably most familiar with. So now you can start shopping for your dream home that you have your home buying team and your pre-approval letter. To prepare for this, you're going to want to make sure that you have your list of wants versus needs, research the neighborhood or community that you're looking to move to, and determine any necessary or wanted amenities that you want in the surrounding area, such as schools, commuting to work, churches, shopping, so much more. Your realtor will help you find homes to tour, rule out the homes that you're not interested in or can't even afford, and help you understand the local housing market. Once you've found your home, it's time to make an offer. Again, this is where your realtor will really take over and lead you through the entire process. They will craft an offer that takes into consideration the price of the home, the value of the home, the surrounding home market, other offers, and so much more. There may be some negotiation that you should prepare for. Again, your realtor will be the person that you lean on during this part of the process. It is so important that you have somebody that you trust and also has your back and your goals in mind. Next, you apply for your actual mortgage. You submit a mortgage application. Once you've found your perfect home and you've made an offer that has been accepted, you will submit your final mortgage application. Again, this is not your pre-approval, it is the final application for your mortgage loan. You'll work with your loan officer to submit all the necessary documents for your chosen loan program. Once your loan is submitted, it will run through your lender's processing and underwriting teams, who simply verify all the information submitted in your application and ensure that you are meeting all required guidelines and conditions of the loan. Then it's time for your home inspection and home appraisal. So once your offer on the home has been accepted, you'll want to order a home inspection and appraisal. A home inspection will uncover any issues in the home that may not be immediately visible. An inspector will check the foundation of the home and roofing to ensure that the home is structurally sound, and they will also test plumbing, electrical, and more to ensure the home's safety. You'll get a full report from your inspector of anything that they find in the home, what needs to be immediately taken care of, and what needs to have an eye kept on. Your home appraisal is actually required by your lender to ensure that the home's value at least closely matches the loan amount. It will take into consideration the value of surrounding properties, as well as the condition of the home you're looking to buy. And lastly, it's closing day. So you've done all the hard work up until this point. Closing is the final step of the home buying process, and this is where you will pay those upfront fees, your down payment, closing costs, etc., and sign all the necessary paperwork to officially become a homeowner. As we mentioned previously, closing costs can get costly and can actually range anywhere between 3 to 6% of the final loan amount. So again, make sure you don't skip that first step and plan for this at the very beginning in determining how much you can actually afford. Once all the I's are dotted and the T's are crossed, you are now officially a homeowner. So that was a quick and dirty overview of the entire home buying process. Each step includes a lot of moving parts and a lot more detailed information. However, having a basic understanding of what to expect can help ease your nerves and give you confidence in just starting the process. If you're looking for more information on the home buying process, you can head to the description down below, where we are going to link all of the videos that we've done in the past expanding on these steps. Or you can head to our website at www.fairwaymidatlantic.com and contact one of our loan officers today if you are seriously considering starting the home buying process. We hope this video gives you a better idea of what the home buying process could look like for you. Again, if you have any questions about anything that we covered today, or want to see us expand some more on each step or steps inside of these steps, leave a comment down below or give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much again for tuning in, and we will see you next week.